Who says woodworking has to be expensive? Today, I'm showing you 10 incredible tools on Amazon that are all under $10. Yes, you heard that right, under 10 bucks. These budget-friendly finds will make your projects easier, more precise, and way more enjoyable. Let's get into it.
Number 1. Milescraft 1600 Tri-Grips. Let's kick things off with the Milescraft Tri-Grips. These triangle-shaped work supports are a huge upgrade over standard bench cookies. The non-slip friction pads eliminate the need for clamps when you're routing, sanding, painting, or drilling. They provide instant, positive lateral stability on almost any work surface. The Tri-Grips elevate your workpiece 1 3/16 inches above the surface, giving you complete access to edges for painting and finishing. The integrated cone-shaped painting supports provide 3 inches of elevation with minimal contact, so freshly painted or stained surfaces don't get damaged. A self-adjusting internal ballast keeps the center of gravity at the base, ensuring stability in any position. This 4-piece set is durable and performs all expected duties very well. For under $10, these are a no-brainer addition to any workshop. Whether you're a beginner or pro, you'll reach for these constantly. They're also great for keeping projects level and stable during assembly.
Number 2. NicPro Carpenter Pencil. Number 2 is the NicPro Carpenter Pencil Set. It isn't your average pencil. It's a mechanical carpenter pencil designed specifically for woodworking and construction professionals. The set includes 2 solid carpenter pencils in red and black with 26 pieces of 2.8mm refills. That's enough lead to last you a very long time. The deep hole marking design features a 45mm elongated tip, making it easy to mark in small holes or tight areas where other carpenter markers simply can't reach. The built-in sharpener screws into the top of each pencil so it won't get lost. It keeps the lead pointed and smooth, improving line of sight during fine work. The 2.8mm lead is much thicker and stronger than standard leads. It won't break or snap during marking, even under pressure. These pencils mark on various surfaces, including wood, metal, plastic, and paper. The different colors let you choose the best contrast for your material. The set also includes a plastic storage box for organization, ideal for woodworkers, contractors, builders, and DIY enthusiasts. For under $10, you get a complete marking system that'll last you a long time.
Number 3. Milescraft 5223 Gluemate. Number 3 is the Milescraft Gluemate. If you've ever struggled with messy glue bottles or dried up tips, this is the solution you've been looking for. The Gluemate holds 15 ounces of wood glue or other liquids. The secret is the precision double chamber design. When you squeeze, glue is sent from the bottom storage chamber up through a smaller application chamber. This allows you to control the flow and deliver just the right amount of glue with minimal effort. You don't have to squeeze the life out of the bottle to get a smooth run of adhesive. It includes 2 specialized tips, a precision doweling tip for fine beads and narrow boards, and a flat biscuit tip for spreading wider beads on bigger boards or biscuit joints. The anti-drip tip and included caps keep glue fresh and prevent clogging. Best of all, it dispenses glue at any angle, even vertically or upside down. Users say it's much better than standard glue bottles, with no blocked ends or dried glue to clean up. One reviewer called it their most used tool shelf item. At under $10, it's a game changer for any woodworker.
Number 4. King & Charles Cabinet Hardware Jig. Installing cabinet handles and poles can be nerve-wracking. One wrong hole and your cabinet door is ruined. This tool takes all the stress out of the process. What sets this jig apart is the included automatic center punch. Instead of drilling directly with an electric drill, which can cause the jig to shake and shift, you first use the center punch to mark the hole location. Then you drill into the pre-punched mark. This ingenious 2-step method ensures perfect hole placement every time with no jitter.
The jig features both metric and imperial double-scale markings for accurate measurement. The super high-definition tick marks are made of ABS, while the ruler is stainless steel for premium durability, corrosion resistance, and high strength. The quick-release drill guide sliders can be split into smaller parts for easy storage and carrying. A storage bag is included for portability. Set it up once and use it repeatedly with no further measurements. The installation efficiency is greatly improved. It's ideal for installing pulls, handles, and knobs on drawers, cabinets, and doors, including shaker doors in recessed drawer fronts.
Number 5. Kreg Portable Drilling Guide. This little tool lets you drill perfectly straight, accurately positioned holes without needing a bulky drill press. The guide features 6 built-in hole alignment marks that correspond to 6 hardened steel drill guides. The guide sizes are 1/8 inch, 3/16 inch, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch. These hardened steel guides hold your drill bit in perfect position so it won't wander off your mark. The Grip Max anti-slip surface prevents the guide from slipping during use, ensuring clean, precise holes every time. The guide self-centers on the edges of 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch material, making it incredibly easy to drill perfectly centered holes. Use it for driving screws, mounting hardware, creating dowel joints, and more. At just under $10, it's one of the most affordable and useful jigs you can buy. No more crooked screws or off-center holes. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this tool will save you time and frustration on every project.
Number 6. Mature Wood Chisel Set. Number 6 is the Mature Wood Chisel Set. This 4-piece set gives you premium carbon steel blades in essential sizes: 6mm, 12mm, 18mm, and 24mm. These sizes cover almost any woodworking task you'll encounter. The blades are made from sturdy carbon steel with beveled edges that stay sharp and last long. They're suitable for working on all softwood, hardwood, and laminated wood. The blades come slightly oiled to protect against corrosion, and each one includes a black plastic edge guard to prevent damage and keep your toolbox organized. The ergonomic non-slip plastic handles reduce hand strain and ensure a comfortable grip for both beginners and expert craftspeople. The steel hammer end on top of each handle protects the handle from damage when you need to tap with a metal hammer or wood mallet. The handle and blade are tightly connected and won't fall off after long-term use.
Number 7. Abrasive Cleaning Eraser Stick. This is one of those tools you didn't know you needed until you try it. It's a simple rubber block that cleans your sanding belts and discs, and it's absolutely essential for any workshop. Here's how it works. You hold the stick against a moving abrasive belt or disc to remove loaded particles, sawdust, and debris that clog the abrasive surface. It works in just seconds, and it doesn't damage the belts or discs at all. This simple action dramatically extends the life of your sanding belts and discs by 3 to 4 times. Why replace expensive sanding discs when a $10 cleaning stick can make them last 3 times longer? It's a no-brainer investment. The stick measures 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches by 8 inches and is made from high-quality natural rubber. It's durable and long-lasting. You can also use it to clean rubber shoes, sanding sponges, and skateboard grip tape. Every woodworker needs one of these in their shop. It pays for itself after just one use.
Number 8. T-nuts. Number 8 is a hardware essential: T-nuts. These small but incredibly useful fasteners provide a strong threaded socket in wood, particle board, and other materials. They look like an upside-down T when viewed from the side. This pack includes 25 T-nuts with 1/4 inch by 20 thread size. The 4-prong design digs into the wood when hammered into a pre-drilled hole, preventing spinning or loosening. The secure design evenly distributes torque for a tight, stable connection. They're made from 304 stainless steel for excellent corrosion resistance. Perfect for woodworking, climbing walls, furniture assembly, and attaching legs to tables and chairs. Simply drill a 5/16 inch hole, Tap the T-nut in with a hammer until flush, and you've got a strong threaded insert ready for bolts. Number 9. Milescraft 1621 Edge Sander. Number 9 is the Milescraft Edge Sander. This unique tool is designed to sand down 2 rough edges at the same time. Why make 2 passes when you can make 1? The V-groove surface sands both edges of boards from 1/4 inch up to 1.5 inches simultaneously. This saves you time and effort on every project. The ergonomic shape makes it comfortable to hold, allowing you to apply consistent, accurate pressure for professional results. It's compatible with any standard 5-inch sanding disc with hook and loop backing, and it comes with a 150 grit sandpaper to get you started. Great for quickly finishing off veneer, laminate projects, or any edge sanding job. Number 10. Jorgensen Mini Wood Plane. Finally, number 10 is the Jorgensen Mini Wood Plane. This compact Surform style shaver is perfect for detailed woodworking and fine craftsmanship. The 65 mn sharp blade delivers effortless shaving. Dense saw teeth with small openings prevent clogging, allowing shavings to pass through easily. The blade is hard, sharp, and labor-saving. At just 7.28 inches and 0.1 pounds, it fits perfectly in your hand and toolkit. The ergonomic ABS plastic body with firm blade lock ensures stability. The blade is replaceable and completely covers the head for secure operation. Perfect for intricate surface processing, DIY crafts, and detailed wood shaping. From a brand with over a century of expertise, this tool delivers professional-grade performance at an unbelievable price.